Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, today is the 28th of February and we have some potato that we going and plant. These potato, we can cut these potato in many pieces because if you see this whole area here, then if you look, you're gonna see there is everywhere these potato is sprouting. But you know what? We're not gonna cut them. We're gonna basically leave them and it's sprouting everywhere, guys. We're gonna plant them whole. We did an experiment where we plant some where we cut them, and we also gonna do an experiment where we're gonna plant them whole. These are really sprouting from, all around the potato, and I think we can really cut these up. You see, the thing about it is every sprout gonna produce their own root. So basically this potato supposed to become like decay in the soil, and all of these supposed to produce their own root of potato. So the way how these are very so much, you can really cut these into many different pieces. But what we're going to do, guys, we're not going to cut them. What we're going to do, we're going to basically plant them. And let's see how we're going to plant them. In this case, we already plowed the soil. And if you notice, the soil is full of leaf. We did that for a reason because, you know, sometimes you plant your potato and when time to harvest, the soil is so hard, you got to be digging. We're trying to prevent that. So these leaves in the soil gonna help keep the soil soft. So now what we're doing, we're giving the potato room that they can grow. Like I said, the way they're producing, this sprouting, is gonna be a lot of root pushing out. So you wanna give them a little room to spread, okay? So each one can produce a nice big root of potato. So we come here and all of them, guys, every last one of them is sprouting. The truth is, guys, you can basically cut the skin off the potato, peel the skin and put the skin in the soil and basically eat the potato. You can definitely do that. And the weather is good now, so I choose this day. We're supposed to get a couple cold weather, but I'm gonna be covering them with some leaf as well to help protect them from the cold weather. Because we really don't want the cold weather to mess with these sprout. We want them to continue. Because if the cold weather damages the sprout, then they're gonna have to come back with new sprout. Yeah, I love how these sprout beautiful everywhere. I love the sprout them. Everywhere. We have a lot of potato plant already. Okay, should we put a few more? No, we don't want to put no more because we want these potato to able to sprout and push big roots of potato. We also want to make sure the soil is pretty soft, that these roots can push, and the more the root able to push, you stand a chance of getting bigger potato. Look at these. These done sprouting really nice already. Yes, guys. Looking nice and healthy. Yeah. We don't want the cold weather to damage these at all. So we have to come and we got to get some leaf. We got to go over there, get some leaf and cover them. We're going to cover them with some soil, basically like what we're doing here now. We're going to cover them with some soil. Cover them. Make sure they are covered. Then we're going to put some leaf over them. Then we're going to put more soil over them. Because like I said, these areas, I'm trying to create these areas that I can plant potato every year. But I'm trying to create an area that this potato can grow in nice soft soil. So if you create nice soft soil, you stand a chance of your potato growing, and then when you're ready to harvest, you ain't got to be digging the hard, tough soil, because you create a soil that is very soft. So the leaf gonna do the job by help keeping the soil soft and moisture at the same time. And at the same time, we create the bed. If you notice how we create the bed is created that the soil can be drained. All right? It's important that you have drained soil for your potato. All right? So we're going to take some leaf and we're going to cover the top, and we're going to just leave it right there. And we hope in a few weeks, we're going to start seeing our potato sprouting above the ground. So how you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. So we also have some basil that we're going to plant. But the thing is, we have a few cold weather that coming up. So I'm kind of worried, because not to say that they're going to dry down, but what I'm saying is they're gonna restart. They're gonna have to restart, and I don't want that. These are the garlics them that coming up really nice. These are onion, these are scallion. Everything doing well, guys. So welcome again, and we're gonna continue covering. So we just want to thank you all again, guys. We appreciate each and every one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.